everybody, and welcome back. Today we're going to be unboxing the new Hollyland microphones. So let's start by taking off this Amazon box. There we go. Here, and inside we have the Hollyland Lark A1 microphones. So let's open these up. Here we go. Open them up, and just like that, we've got them out of the packaging. So let's take them out and see how they perform. And like this. Open them up. And here's what I see when I open the box. So we have some instructions here, and a QR code here, which you can scan in a second, and some more instructions. Needs to be a carrying case. It's nice. Feels good. Something in it. And it's a silica gel packet. We got that. And then we have this, which is the receiver, I believe. So this plugs into the device you're recording on, which is my camera and my computer. So I can take this off. And here it is. Receiver piece. And so then we can put this right here. And then we have the two microphones that comes with. So let's take these out of their packaging. Here we go. So they come in their little charging stand. So we have two microphones with magnetic attachment points. So you would clip this on to, say, the back of a shirt, or else to the back of this box. Then you would take this part and clip this on here. So then you can see it's on there real nice, not coming off. So let's see what else it comes with. So it comes with just a very nice USB-C cable for charging. That's going to be in here. Here's some A to C cable. And then it also comes with microphone covers for the microphones. Let's take those out and put them on. Take it out of packaging here. And here's our first one. So let's take this one off the box. And I assume you can just pop it right on here. There we go. Now it has this little hat to put on. So you've got this one. And then it does look like to charge them, you do need to take the little hats off to charge, so they can slide into their charging stations, which I always reminds you to put the back magnet back on, which is very strong, but also you can remove it very easily from, say, a shirt. So let's just do a quick demo of that. Put it on this little bag here. We can just very easily just take off the microphone, and then the magnet just snaps back on. So we can take off these from the charging pins, so plastic protective coverings. Then we can put the microphone in, slots in real nicely. Same thing on this one. Take off the plastic of the charging pins. Put the magnet on the back on, plop it back into the base, go. These are the Lark A1s from Hollyland. So, let's see how these work. I'm going to plug it into my camera now. Unless, do these come charged? Okay. Not sure if they do. So let's give them a charge. Hello everyone. We are back now that we have fully charged both microphones. We can start testing them. So, let's take out the microphones. Let's grab their little dust filters. So let's just take off one microphone for now. Let's take off this one. See, it's pairing now. We can put our foofy bit, our dust cover, on the microphone now. Take off the magnet. And then we can slide the magnet under our shirt. Attach the microphone. And here we go. I'm going to connect the microphone now. So I was going to connect this to my camera. This nice little dongle here. That will pair us to the microphone. I'll be right back once I've done it. Hello there and welcome back. Now I have fully connected this mic, so you should see it get louder as I get closer to my mouth. You should see it get louder, and it will get quieter as I take it farther away. And now you probably couldn't hear this at all, so it's going to sound really muted now. That should have sounded really muted. But now it should be connected to here, and say I had a second person who I wanted to talk to. Not right now, but I could give them this mic, and they could speak into it, and then we could have a conversation, and we could both be heard from our mics. Just a few final thoughts. These mics sound so much better than my camera's microphone. They're great audio quality, they work super well, and I have had, so far, no issues with them at all. And they seem to work perfectly for what I'm going to use them for. So, from now on in my videos, my audio quality should be a lot better. And so, for now, goodbye!